Hari Om. Hari Om. I am Anand K from class 9A.
Hari Om. I am Manas R from 9A.
Hello, I am Sneha from class 9.
Epilepsy is a neurological disorder, a disorder in the nerve cell or brain cell resulting in unprovoked seizures. So, what is a seizure? A seizure is a sudden surge of electrical activity in the brain, and these seizures are so powerful that they can result in physical injuries including broken bones and mentally can make you abnormal. In India, 17th November every year is observed as National Epilepsy Day, and it is done so to create awareness in the minds of the people about epilepsy. And there is a foundation named Epilepsy Foundation, and their mission is to help to overcome the challenges faced by the people who live with this epilepsy and to accelerate therapies to stop the occurring of seizures and to find a better medicine so that they can save lives. There are many unknown causes for epilepsy, while some of the known causes include low oxygen during birth, head trauma, deep head injuries, stroke, a condition in which the blood circulation to the brain is interrupted. It is a very serious condition as many brain cells die in a very short period of time. Brain tumor, alcohol withdrawal, and genetic or hereditary from parents to their children.
Symptoms of epilepsy: loss of consciousness, staring, change in behavior, aura, sudden fall and slips, jerking in the involuntary body parts, unusual expressions, unprovoked seizures in very short period of time, anxiety, etc. How is epilepsy diagnosed? Some common tests conducted are blood test, neurological examination. Doctors also prescribe tests for electroencephalogram EEG, high density EEG, neuropsychological tests, etc.
Treatment for epilepsy. First aid. Rolling people with an active tonic-clonic seizure helps prevent fluids from getting into the lungs. Medication. Anticonvulsant is the common type of medicine prescribed on the basis of type of seizure affected, physical condition, etc. and even maybe for lifelong. Surgery. Epilepsy surgery may be an option for people with seizures which remains as a problem which despite other treatments. Diet. Ketogenic diet. High fat, low carbohydrate, adequate protein helps in reducing the number of seizures occur.
The alternative medicines for epilepsy include yoga, routine vitamins, and acupuncture. Acupuncture is a thin needle that is pinned on a body part to reduce pain.
Many cases of this disease are not preventable, but what we can do to prevent the cause of epilepsy are avoid drugs and alcohol, have good sleep every night, practice relaxation methods, try to avoid the bright light rays onto your eyes,
Avoid video games.
practice proper meditation, eat a healthy diet, etc.
Hi, my name is Dr. Joseph Servin, and I'm editor-in-chief of epilepsy.com. Epilepsy is a condition in which a person has repeated seizures. Sometimes the reason for those seizures is fairly obvious, and sometimes it's a little bit more complicated. 1 in 26 people in the United States will develop epilepsy at some point during their time. We're here to help you figure out everything you need to know about it, and more importantly, what can you do about it.